Good morning to all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Okay. What we have studied in the last class? Projection on uniform ground, correct? Okay. So can you tell me one by one, what is the first formula? When a projectile is, when a body is projected in a horizontal ground with a initial velocity u, what is the vertical velocity? Vertical velocity u cos alpha, correct? U cos alpha. Yes. U sin alpha, correct? U sin alpha. Then horizontal u cos alpha. Is it correct, all of you? Then what is the formula for the equation of the projectile? Y is equal to, yes, tell me, x tan alpha minus gx square divided by, is the screen visible, everyone?
Yes.
Okay. 2u square cos square alpha भी लिख सकते हैं, नहीं तो x tan alpha minus gx square divided by 2u square 1 plus tan square alpha. Okay, tan square alpha. Next one is maximum height formula. H is equal to u square sin square alpha divided by 2g. Correct. Next, range is equal to u square sin 2
Sin
alpha
square on G.
divided by g. Correct. Then what is the time taken for the to reach the maximum height? U sin alpha divided by g. What is the total time of flight? 2 times of u sin alpha divided by g. Okay. Next, to reach the maximum range, what will be the angle of projection? Alpha is equal to 45 degrees. Okay. So for each and every projectile, to get the required range, there are two angle of projection. Okay. First angle of projection is, if I take alpha 1 is equal to alpha, then alpha 2 will be equal to 90 minus alpha. Is it correct, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes. In the last class, I had given one problem. Okay. Have you solved that one? No. Why? What was the problem? So there is a wall, correct? Answer भी बताया था ना? Have you solved, all of you? What is the answer? What is the initial velocity u is equal to?
10.0, 10.2.
19 meter per second or 10.2 meter per second. Okay. So this was the answer. Is this answer correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is all about the in the horizontal motion. Okay. How if the ground is horizontal. Next, case 3. Alpha take down. Case 3. Case 3. Inclined projection. Inclined projection with point of projection point of projection and point of strike at different level. At a different level. At different level. So directly I will take the problem on this one, so that you will come to. See, this is nothing but whatever you have studied, the case 1 and case 2. Whatever you have studied, case 1 and case 2. Okay, the case 1 was horizontal and case 2 was in, it is case 2 is uniform ground. But in the case 3, this is not in the same. Okay, the ground is inclined like this, like this. Okay, this is striking at this point. Okay, this is the starting point A, and this is the last starting striking point is B. Okay, in this case, from A to C, it is in the first case, second case, correct? Second, A to C is second case. All of you agree?
Yes, sir.
A to C is second case. It is projected in the horizontal ground. See, up to this much. It is in same level. After this one, or you can take C to B. It is in the first case. It is in the first case C to B. All of you. Yes. It is a combination of first and second one. Okay. So इसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे? Directly I will take the problem and I will take the solution. So the distance between these two is equal to, that is A and B is equal to, I will take it is y0. And you know that S is equal to ut plus half at square. Okay. In that case, whatever y value is there, you have to substitute minus y, because you are going downward from the A. Okay. Only that is the change, and rest all are same. Okay. So we'll just take the problem and we'll solve this one. Okay. Check down the problem. A bullet is fired from the height of 120 meter at a velocity of 360 kmph 360 kmph at an angle of 30 degree upward 30 degree upwards, neglecting air resistance. Find first one, total time of flight. Second one, horizontal range of bullet. Next, third one, maximum height reached. By the bullet. Next, fourth one, find the final velocity of bullet just before touching the ground. So a bullet is fired from the height of 120 meter at a velocity of 360 kmph at an angle of 30 degree upwards, neglecting air resistance. Whether he has mentioned the ground is leveled, the ground is horizontal. No, he has not mentioned. Correct, na? If he has not mentioned, it is a case of 3. The ground is unlevel or it is inclined level. Okay, if it is mentioned in the horizontal ground, then it is a case of second case. Okay, here he has not mentioned. That's why the ground will be equal to, it is one inclined, and he has already given a bullet is fired at a height of 120 meter, from the ground only. Okay, so what I will take, all of you draw this diagram. This is u, and this is a y component y, and this is x component. This is a ground. Okay, this is a point A. I don't know this is whether a ground or not, but he is from the height. Yes, but this is a ground. This is a point B I'm taking, and this I'm considering it is point A. This is a point A, and he has given height y naught is equal to, it is 120 meter. 120 meter. A, I will take this point is B, and this point I will take it is A, B, this is C, I will take C, this point I will take it is D. So what are the given points? Given that S is equal to, S means displacement, that is y naught is equal to minus 120 meter, and initial velocity is given in the problem, that is 360 kmph. Is how to convert kmph into meter per second?
5 by 18.
5 by 360 into 5 by 18. 18 1 is 18 2 is 20 into 5 is equal to 100 meter per second. Is it correct? 100 meter per second. Yes. So this is the value of alpha. So this is the maximum height from the ground level. This is maximum height from the initial point, and this one is the from whatever the striking points. So he is asking total height. So I will take this is h, and this is y naught. Okay, in the first case, what is asked? So solution for the first case, total time of flight. So you know that equation of the motion, vertical motion. Okay, what is there in the s is equal to ut plus half at square is there. Okay, initial velocity u, is it known for the total vertical? When you consider the vertical motion, you have to find out the initial velocity. What is the initial vertical velocity? U sin alpha. Initial vertical velocity, U sin alpha. Okay, considering vertical motion, considering vertical motion, considering vertical motion. So vertical motion में एक है initial velocity is equal to U sin alpha. U is known, alpha is known, okay, alpha is given, no? Yes, it is 30 degree. It is 30 degree is given. So 100 meter per second into sine of 30 degree, that is equal to 50 meter per second. 50 meter per second is the initial velocity. Then when for the initial ground, the ऑब्जेक्ट इज मूविंग अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन, करेक्ट? ए टू सी पोर्शन में ऑब्जेक्ट इज मूविंग अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन, whether g is taken as a positive or negative.
Negative.
Negative, it is opposite to
Negative.
gravity. Opposite to gravity is negative. So g is equal to minus 9.81 meter per second. Okay, in the vertical motion I am telling. Then using equation of motion, s is equal to ut plus half
Half
at
80.
square, correct? So what is the s? S is given 120, that is plus or minus?
minus
Minus
120 is equal to,
120.
so in the vertical direction what is the initial velocity? 50. Okay, 50 u sin alpha, that is equal
Yes,
to
sir.
50 into t. What is the t value? I have to determine the value of t. Then half 80 square, a is minus, correct? Minus 9.81 divided by 2 into t square. So you will get a quadratic equation. So solve this one, you will get the value of t value. So you can go with that is Sridharan theorem, correct? Sridharan equation, that is a quadratic root of quadratic equation formula क्या है? Minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac.
Yes, sir.
You can follow that formula, or else by using your calculator also you can solve. Okay, so how to solve by using calculator? 9.81 divided by 2 कितना आता है? That is 4.905 t square. I will bring that to the left hand side, that is minus become plus, correct? Then this 50 into t I will bring to the other side, that is minus 50 t minus 120 is equal to 0. Is it correct, all of you?
Yes, sir.
So open your calculator. Those who are having calculator, open your calculator. Give me one calculator, I will tell. Okay, on it, mode, press mode. Okay, again press, there is an equation. So those who are having this kind of calculator, that is fx991, there is a 5 number के सामने ये है equation. So just press 5. Okay, those who are having that normal calculator, you just press mode. Okay, there is a equation button. Okay, then there is 2 unknowns or 3 unknowns. Okay, but we are having not 2 3 unknowns, we are having only 1 unknown, but degrees are 2 or 3, that is the degrees 2. Okay, 2 और एरो मार्क है, देखो उधर बाजू 2
सर थोड़ा
unknowns,
देखो
unknowns में नहीं, इधर है ना एरो मार्क प्रेस करें, डिग्री, डिग्री is 2. हाँ, अभी a1 का वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करें. हाँ, here those who are having this type of calculator, that is we are having ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So press 3. So substitute the value of a. What is the value of a? 4.905. 4.905. 905. Next, equal to b. B value is minus 50. Minus 50. Next, equal to press करने का. C value is minus 120. Minus 120. So then, what is the value of t? 12.19.
12.19.
All of you are getting t is equal to 12.19 seconds. If there is a square root
Minus 2.
quadratic equation, there will be 2 answers, or plus equal. You are getting minus 2 and minus 2 seconds. So minus 2 seconds, is it possible answer? No. And so whenever you are doing the projectile problem, your t must be positive. Okay, so the first one is total time of flight, t is equal to, therefore t is equal to 12.19 seconds. Second is correct answer. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, the same problem can be solved by another method also. So how to solve by another method? You can consider A to C. Okay, first write down all of you. First write down all of you. I will explain how to solve that. Complete करो. आपको समझ में नहीं आए तो और एक बार मैं explain करता हूँ. Okay, complete this first.
सिखाओ, एक बार बताइए ना.
कौन सा?
कैलसी का कैलकुलेशन क्वाड्रेटिक
कैलकुलेट
इक्वेशन
कौन सा कैलकुलेटर है आपके पास?
एफ
वीडियो
एक्स
ओपन करके दिखाओ।
991
FX 991. Okay, so press mode button. So what you will get? You are getting composite and base. ऐसा आ रहा है ना? Then again press mode button. What you are getting? Equation आ गया? Okay.
नो सर बेस रैड
रेडियन डिग्री आ गया ना? और एक बार प्रेस करो.
यस सर इक्वेशन आ गए
हाँ, इक्वेशन के सामने कितना नंबर है?
1
हाँ, प्रेस 1.
यस सर
क्या आ गया? अननोन्स आ गया ना?
अननोन्स 2 और 3
यस. अभी हमारे पास साइमल्टेनियस इक्वेशंस नहीं. ax plus bx plus c by plus c ऐसे नहीं. हमारे पास क्या है? क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन है. मतलब डिग्री है. ओके, उधर एरो मार्क है देखो बाजू में. तो एरो
हाँ
मार्क प्रेस
यस
करो.
सर
हाँ, उधर क्या आ गया? डिग्री आ गया.
सर एरो किधर है इधर
एरो
नहीं है
मतलब आपके ऑन बटन चालू करते ना, वो बीच में वो बड़ा सर्कल है देखो. ऊपर राइट, ऊपर टॉप बॉटम लेफ्ट
हाँ
राइट.
यस सर
हाँ, राइट
टॉप
राइट क्लिक करो. डिग्री आ गया ना? डिग्री 2 आया और 3 आ गए देखो. 2 and 3.
यस सर डिग्री 2 एंड
हाँ,
3
अभी हमारा क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन है. क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन है तो 2 प्रेस करने का. इफ इट इज ए क्यूबिकल इक्वेशन, क्यूबिक इक्वेशन है तो 3 प्रेस करने का. अभी क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन है 2 प्रेस करो.
यस सर ए
हाँ,
आ गया
अभी ये a1 आ गए ना? a का फॉर्मूला, a वैल्यू इट इज आस्किंग द वैल्यू ऑफ a. ओके, a का वैल्यू का है कितना है? पहला टर्म का कितना है? 4.905. प्रेस करो 4.905.
यस सर
देन इक्वल टू प्रेस करो.
यस सर
देन
बी
इट
आ
इज
गया
आस्किंग b. करेक्ट?
हाँ
हाँ, b इज -50.
यस सर
हाँ, इक्वल टू प्रेस करो.
सी
c is equal to -120.
यस सर
हाँ, तो इक्वल टू प्रेस करो.
x1 is equals to 12.199
Yes, x1 is nothing but your unknown x1 value. That is
Yes,
t is
sir.
equal to 12.19. First answer. Okay. Then again press equal. Again press equal. What you are getting?
minus
Yes, -2
2.005
seconds. Correct? It means this equation is having two unknowns. This is having two unknowns. But two unknowns को two values आ गया. Okay, two values आ गया. So one is t is equal to 12.19 second and 2 seconds, -2 seconds. But don't consider -2 seconds because our time is in positive only. That's why t is equal to 12.19 seconds. Is it understood?
yes sir
Everyone, is it? Have you written? Have you written, all of you?
yes sir
Okay, all of you concentrate. Concentrate on the problem. See, whatever, when the ground is not level, when not level, this is a procedure. S is equal to ut plus half it square you have to do. S should be given and a should be minus you have to take. Okay, suppose a to c is, it is the second case. Okay, what is the time required to reach c? A to C. What is the time required to reach A to C? Huh? Can you tell me? Can you tell me? From the second case, what is the time required from A to C? T1 is equal to U sin alpha divided by G. Correct? Okay. This is time T1. Then C to B. Time required from C to B. What is the formula? That is first case. Okay. That is you can take. हाँ हाँ, वो भी यूज कर सकते हैं. नहीं तो T2 is equal to you can find out if you know the value of H find out है तो multiply by TB में नहीं. हाँ, S is equal to UT plus half AT square भी यूज कर सकते हैं. ओके, इसमें क्या चाहिए आपको? इधर से इधर कितना डिस्टेंस है? टोटल हाइट चाहिए. इसके लिए आप लोग क्या लिखने फाइंड आउट करने का? H फाइंड आउट करने का. H फाइंड आउट करने के बाद T2 मिलता. बाद में यू कैन फाइंड आउट टोटल T1 प्लस T2. ओके, वैसे भी कर सकते हैं, नहीं तो डायरेक्ट ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं. ओके, दिस इज इजियर. ओके, सो दिस इज आल्सो इजी बट यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट H वैल्यू फर्स्ट. सो इधर से इधर कितना H है, बाद में y0 इज गिवन, टोटल y करके करने का. Okay, don't worry about that one. Just you remember this one. Is it clear? First one. Okay, time of flight. All of you, time of flight clear हो गए?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then horizontal range of the bullet. How to calculate the horizontal range of the bullet? Horizontal range मतलब A to B distance चाहिए. Okay, A to B distance चाहिए तो so first of all you have to calculate
R.
R value. So what is the formula for R?
R is equal to
U square sin square. Okay. See, R is equal to range is equal to U square sin square alpha. Range. See, so in the first case, how did you determine the R value? U into T, correct? This is also same case. So you want to calculate the range, this range. Okay, the particle is moving in this direction. Okay, that is you have to determine U first and T. U is in the horizontal component or vertical component? Horizontal. You are determining the horizontal range. So horizontal component is equal to. So first write down. Horizontal range is equal to. So second one, horizontal. वही क्वेश्चन है ना, total horizontal range. Horizontal range is equal to R is equal to U into T. What is U? U cos alpha, correct? U cos alpha,
Yes.
because it is in horizontal direction, into T. So what is U value? U is 100, correct? Into cos alpha is equal to 30 degree, into T is equal to 12.2 second or 19 second. 12.19 second. 12.19 second. 12.19 seconds. So calculate the value of R.
minus 50.
Minus 50. 1056. 1056.55 meter. Yes, this is the range, horizontal range. समझ में आया? Then third one क्या है? Maximum height reached by the bullet. Maximum height reached by the bullet. Maximum height reached by bullet. So first of all you have to determine H. H is equal to height is equal to U square sin square alpha divided by 2G. So U is known in the what is the U? 100 square into sin square alpha is 30 degree divided by 2 times of 9.81. So calculate value of H. What? G value. No, direct plus कर रहे हैं. So in the H value we have considered as G. Whenever you are taking the acceleration. So what is the value of H?
So it's a sin 30 into sin 35.
कैसे? क्या बोले?
Sin square 30.
Sin square 30 is nothing but sin 30 into sin 30. Sin नहीं तो आप कैलकुलेटर में कैसे लिखने का? ब्रैकेट ओपन करने का sin 30 ब्रैकेट क्लोज होल स्क्वायर ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं. नहीं तो sin 30 into sin 30 ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं. नहीं तो sin 30 वैल्यू आपको मालूम है कितना है? 1/2 है ना. So 1/2 into 1/2 वैसे भी कर सकते हैं. Okay. So all the possibility I have given. What is value? Yes, correct. So it is 127.42 meter. Is it correct? So total height above the ground. Total height above the ground. See from the figure, this is the H. Okay, H is from the level of A. Okay, I want to find out the H value, total height from the ground level. That is H plus Y naught. H plus Y naught, is it correct, all of you? Whatever H we have determined, that is from the A value. But I want from the ground level B value. So how to find out that one? So total height above the ground is equal to above the ground is equal to 127.42, okay, plus your 120, that is equal to 247.42 meter. This is total H capital. Okay, have you completed this one? Yes. No. Okay. Okay. He is speaking about the bullet, correct? Huh? So bullet is in this fashion. Bullet a fashion में रहते ना, correct? Bullet is in this fashion.
Yes.
Correct. So whenever you shoot, okay, so he is shooting from this point A. So it is goes and it strike to the ground. Whether this is striking exactly vertical or exactly horizontal or inclined. Exactly
Inclined.
horizontal or exactly vertical or inclined. Inclined, correct?
Inclined.
So you have to determine the velocity when it is touching the ground, correct? So it means you have to first determine the horizontal velocity when it is touching the ground, and you have to determine the vertical velocity when it is touching the ground. So ये दोनों का resultant will be your actual answer. समझ में आ गया? But you cannot determine the value of inclined velocity directly. Directly नहीं मिलता हमको. So you can determine horizontal velocity and vertical velocity at the point of ground. So by taking the resultant of those two is equal to your answer. Is it understood, everyone?
सर अगर उन्होंने मजल वेलोसिटी ढूंढने के लिए कहा तो हम क्या करेंगे?
क्या क्या?
मजल वेलोसिटी ढूंढनी हो तो कैसे करेंगे इसकी?
No, always he is asking you to find out the velocity when it is touching the ground, just before touching the ground. Okay, whenever you do shooting, okay, bullet shoot किया तो it is not coming exactly vertical or it is not coming exactly horizontal. It will come and strike to the ground in this fashion only. Okay, यही fashion में रहता. So this is the resultant of horizontal and vertical. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. Next. Yes, third case. Read on, all of you. Third case. Third or fourth? It is fourth, है ना? Fourth case. Fourth case. Yes. Velocity of bullet. Velocity of bullet. Velocity of bullet. Vertical component velocity. Vertical component of velocity. Vertical component of velocity. See how to find out the vertical velocity. It is two combination of two. Okay, first of all, whenever the object is going upward direction, it is what is the vertical velocity? U sin alpha, and again it is coming back. Minus. No, again see the diagram. The object is like this. Look at this one. So A to this is A point. This is D point. This is B point. Okay, A to D is second case. So what is the vertical component? It is U cos alpha. Sorry, U sin alpha. U sin alpha. Correct? So it is U sin alpha. Next, it is coming downward. Correct? Under gravity. Okay, you know the value of G. It is value of G is G. Okay, then time multiply by time. So you will get the total velocity which is striking in the vertical direction. Okay, in the vertical direction. So this is equal to U sin alpha minus G into T. What is the U value? See. A to मुझे क्या चाहिए? Vertical component. So bullet is striking the ground. Correct? इसका vertical velocity find करने का है. So A to D, it is a second case. U sin alpha. ये पता है आपको? Okay. Next, D to B, it is the first case. First case में it is falling freely. Okay. At any point of time, it is under gravity G, acceleration. Multiply by time T. You will get the velocity, vertical velocity component.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Vertical velocity component. So that is what I have done. Initial means okay. Okay. So what is the u value? 100. Sin alpha. Alpha value कितना है? 30 minus g value कितना है? 9.81. What is your time? Time is equal to how much? 12.2. Okay, or 12.19. Okay. So calculate how much you will get. Vertical velocity.
Minus 69.58.
Yes, minus 69.58
58.
or 6. Okay. How much you are getting?
Minus 69.5.
5. 58.
Yes, sir. 58.
58 meter. Okay. Okay. See, vertical component I am getting minus. Why I am getting minus? Why I am getting minus? It is downward direction. Okay. See, I have taken u sin alpha as a positive. Correct? All of you. Why I have taken positive? Because it is going upward direction. Correct. I have taken positive. Then B from the D to B, it is coming downward. That's why I have taken minus. But total answer I am getting minus. Minus means what? It is in the downward direction. Okay. So that is equal to 69.58. It is downward. Downward. Next, horizontal component. Horizontal component. Component of velocity. Velocity. Yes. How to determine the horizontal component of velocity?
U personal.
Huh? Yes. In the first case, second case, what is the horizontal velocity formula? Horizontal. U cos alpha. Correct? Same. U cos alpha. U cos alpha. Now what is U cos alpha? U is 100. Cos alpha is equal to 30. So how much it is? 86.6 meter per second. So this is also meter per second. Okay, this is downward direction. Here you got positive answer. It is in the rightward direction. Okay, so I want to find out the resultant of these two. Then resultant velocity is equal to resultant velocity. Velocity is equal to yes. So or you can take v. Here you can take v under y direction, v under x direction. Now it is v is equal to under root of v x square plus v y square. Calculate. So under root of vx is equal to 69.58 square plus 86.8 square. So answer is equal to. So total v is equal to
111.24.
yes 111.24 meter per second. Okay, this is the method. Yes, meter per second. Okay, is it understood? Completed.
Yes,
a
sir.
problem आए तो it is asked for 8 marks. 8 marks. Okay, in the offline paper. In your paper also. So he may ask only one bit. Determine total time of flight. ऐसे भी पूछ सकते. It is only second case, first case. Horizontal range पूछ सकते. So any one bit can be asked in your multiple choice question. Total height from the ground भी पूछ सकते. Okay. नहीं तो directly he may ask velocity in which the bullet is striking the ground. Vx find out करने का, Vy find out करने का, then you have to determine the resultant of those two. You will get the value of resultant velocity. But it is rare to ask this third case. Maximum focus is first and second core. So we will solve one more problem. Take down. Is it completed?
Yes, sir.
Can I go for next problem?
Yes.
Yes, all of you. Yes, can I go next slide?
Yes, sir.
Okay, write down question. Question number 2. A cricket ball thrown. A cricket ball thrown by a fielder. By a fielder from a height of from a height of 2 meter 2 meter at an angle of 30 degree to the horizontal with an initial velocity of 20 meter per second 20 meter per second hits the wickets at a height of 0.5 meter from the ground from the ground. How far was the fielder from wickets? It means a fielder is thrown a ball that is from a height of 2 meter. His height is given 2 meter, and the ball is hits the wickets at a height of 0.5 meter. This is a cricket ball thrown by a fielder from a height of 2 meter. So this is the height of 2 meter he has given. Okay. So he has given this is 2 meter. From the ground it is 2 meter. Okay. Then at an angle of 2 meter at an angle of 30 degree. So this is 30 degree is given. Then to the horizontal with an initial velocity is equal to u is equal to given 20 meter per second. 20 meter per second. Then hits the wicket at a height of 0.5 meter. There is a wicket, okay? It hits the wicket. There is height of 0.5 meter. 0.5 meter from the ground. How far was the fielder from the wicket? Okay, it means he is asking which distance? Range distance.
Range.
Range is asked. Range is equal to how? So how to determine the range? Range is equal to u into t. Correct? Okay.
Yes,
How to
sir.
determine the u first? He has given u already. Correct? This is the value of u. And time. Do you know the value of time? You don't know the value of time. So you have to determine the value of time. So how to find out the time value of this? Okay. That is the question you can use. Read on first. Given S is equal to, S means displacement, S is equal to y naught is equal to, how much is the y naught value? How much is the y naught value? No, y naught, he has given y naught. In the last class, we have taken 120 or minus 120. Here, how much?
2 meters.
Yes, correct. See, the ball is thrown from this point. So it is touching it is hitting the wicket. Okay, only this much height I have to consider. From the ground, it is 2 meter initially, and from at a striking point, it is height of 1.2 meter. Then distance between these two is how much? 1.5 meter. Is it correct, all of you? So y naught value is equal to, that is minus 1.5 meter. Is it correct, all of you? Yes, sir. See, don't consider from the ground. That is from the point of projection to the point of striking the wicket. Okay. Then initial velocity. Initial velocity is equal to, how much it is? U is equal to 20 meter per second. 20 meter per second.
सर माइनस कैसे आए?
Downward more है ना? See, in the inclined position. Okay, from this position, it is the ball is thrown and it has come to this point. The distance, we are coming to the downward direction.
Yes, sir.
In the last problem also we have taken minus value.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then we have okay, वही equation. So we know that vertical motion का क्या है formula?
U sin alpha.
Yes, S is equal to ut plus half at square. Half at square. Okay, in the vertical direction. Vertical direction S कितना आ गया? Minus 1.5. Okay, in the vertical direction, what is the value of U? U sin alpha. Correct? So that is U sin alpha into time t. I have to determine. Then gravity in the vertical direction, it is moving away. Correct? That is minus g t square divided by 2. Correct? So minus so instead of here, I'll substitute minus y naught. Minus y naught. Minus y naught. Okay. What is the value of minus y naught? Minus, not minus. It is only y naught. That is minus 1.5 into u is equal to 20 into sine 30. Sine 30 into t minus 9.81 into t square divided by 2. So write in terms of quadratic equation. I will bring this to the other side. 4.905 t square minus, okay, so sine 30 is off, that is 10t minus 1.5 is equal to 0. So use the calculator and tell me the value of t. And after calculating the value of t, then range is equal to, that is u into t. But which you will consider? Along the horizontal direction, horizontal velocity, u cos alpha into t.
T value 2.17.
Yes, time value is 2.17. Yes, correct. 2.179. 17. Okay, 179 or 12. Okay, second, correct. Then range is equal to u is 20 cos 30 into time is 2.179. 2.179. So calculate the value of range. Yes, correct. 37.74.
34.
37.74 meter. Okay, this is the answer for the question. Here the main thing is concept. Horizontal में क्या लेने का, vertical में क्या लेने का. Okay, that is important.
सर 34 आया है 34.64.
No, ये कितना आंसर?
74.
34 आ रहा है क्या? 37 आ रहा है?
37.
37 is correct. 20 cos 30 multiplied by 2.179 or 2.18 you can do. You will get 37. Check it once again. Check it, all of you.
Yes sir, correct.
Correct? Okay. Very good. So there is one more problem. I will take that problem in the next salary time. So almost this chapter is complete. Okay. So this completes entire projectile. Case 1, case 2 is very, very important for your exam. But don't neglect the case 3 also. Okay. In the case 3, what is your main intention? You have to determine the time t and horizontal range. Okay. Only this equation you have to remember. Range calculate karna hai to u cos alpha into t. Okay. And time calculate karna ka, that is u sin alpha into t minus gt square by 2. Okay, only this. But s value you have to substitute in terms of minus. That is very, very important. In case if you substitute positive, you will get wrong answer. And that wrong answer will be one of the option in your MCQ question. Okay. He will be given that also. And most of you are picking that answer. Don't do that one. Okay. So I will take the attendance fast. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 present, 10 present, 11 present. Where is Aditya? 11 present, 12, 13, 14, 15, roll number 15, 16, roll number 16. Roll number 16 absent. 20. 34. 34. 52. 52. 53. 53. 61. 61. 64. Okay, absent number 16, 53, 64. Stop now. We'll continue the next lecture.